Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find wireless emergency alerts options and how to turn them on if they are turned off for some reason. By default they are on, but settings, then safety and emergency options here, and here we have wireless emergency alerts. If they are turned off, we simply check this box, and now we can customize it a little bit. For example, test alerts. No, we don't want to test alerts. We can change vibrations. We can set up reminders, or we can use text to speech if we want to. Also, we can choose alerts that are that we are concerned about, and that's it. Just back out. No need to save. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.